Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm yet again back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your BLK app login error. So if you've been using the BLK app for a certain while for your dating purpose but now are facing login error while trying to log into your account, I'm going to show you a few steps by means of which this login error can be fixed. So the very first one is, first of all, go to your settings, and as you go to your settings, scroll downwards and go to general. When you go to general, select date and time, and as you set up date and time, make sure that you set it automatically, which means that it will automatically generate the particular location that you're on and accordingly set your date and time. This means that this will likely bring about more occurrence with the current situation. So this will help you to fix your login error to some extent. What you can also do is, if your Wi-Fi is turned on, what you can also do is go to your app store, and then on the app store, on the search bar, type in BLK and search for the app. When you search for the app will now load on your interface. So when you tap on it, you will now be able to see that sometimes instead of the get button or open button, you will likely see the update button. Seeing the update button means that you're currently using the older version of the app, and it means that you need to update it to the recent version. So when you update it to the recent version, you're more likely to not face any sort of errors. So make sure that you try updating the app as well. So these are some of the methods by means of which you can simply fix your login error for the BLK app. I hope that any one of these methods works out for you. If you like the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.